Hello friends, welcome back to another segment of Learn English with Neeru. In today's class, as I have discussed yesterday, we will talk about summer internship project. How are you going to explain or express about your summer internship project if the interviewer is going to ask you in detail to explain about it? There are three important things that you should always keep in your mind while giving the answer to this particular question. Summer internship project should always highlight about your learnings. It should talk about the outcomes that you have obtained, whatever you have done during the internship as an intern. So, initially start with from where you have done your summer internship. If you have identified the title, talk about the title, explain about the importance or significance of that particular title. The first and the most important thing after giving the details of your title as well as the internship project is what exactly was the problem statement during your internship? Because when we are talking about internship as a project, it should always help you to understand the gap between the knowledge skills as well as the practical skills. So the theoretical concepts that has been converted into practical through the internship, that exactly is the first point which you are going to explain. Second, what are the various things that you have observed? It could be through talking to the customers, maybe through interacting with the people who are working as an employee, or even with the faculty or the guide who are going to support you and help you to know more in detail, to know more concepts in detail about the summer internship project. Finally, what were the important learning outcomes that you have obtained while practicing as an intern? So, when an interviewer is asking you this question, he is exactly trying to understand whether you are learnable or not, whether you are trainable or not, whether you know how to apply the knowledge that you have obtained in the practical way or not. The application part is more important rather than just showing a certificate that yes, you have done summer internship from XYZ organization. So, when you are preparing this answer, be very confident, present about your skills as well as the knowledge, and do exhibit your communication skills. If you need any kind of support, you can drop a message on the comment box so that I can help you out. You can even reach out to me on Unstop as a mentor. Happy learning to you all.